So guys, have you heard the news? Xiaomi has just become the second largest smartphone manufacturer in the world, surpassing Apple just recently. They have eaten up a lot of Huawei's market share and are now pressuring Samsung for the number one spot, and it is thanks to their super incredible, almost unmatched price to performance ratio. The Redmi Note 10 Pro is mighty unbeatable at its price, and the Mi 11 Lite is mighty premium for just 22,000 rupees. And shameless plug, you can check my reviews for both of these phones from the link in the description. Now today let's talk about the Redmi Note 11 Pro, which in India might likely be called as the 11 Pro Max, and we have our very first rendering of how the new monster could end up looking like. At the back we have an enormous camera bump, and this reminds me of the S20 Ultra's camera bump with the dual layer bumps, and this is super thick. But the camera specs for sure are really impressive, which we will talk about in just a minute. We have the Redmi logo at the back, and this phone also features 5G. At the bottom we have the USB-C slot and the speaker grill. Yes, the headphone jack is still alive, but it is on the top with the secondary speaker. The fingerprint scanner cum power button is on the right hand side just below the volume rockers. At the front we have a hole punch on the middle of the display, which is of 120Hz Full HD resolution, the size of which is not yet known. According to reports, Xiaomi might be using the Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 chipset in the 11 Pro, which is an excellent processor, but it might make the price a bit more expensive, but I think it will be worth it. As for the cameras, we have triple cameras, and the biggest news is that the main camera could be of 200 megapixel. 200 guys, 200 freaking megapixel, which is huge. And seeing how Xiaomi used the current largest 108 megapixel camera on the Note 10 Pro Max, it does set the precedent that they might use the 200 megapixel camera on the 11 Pro Max. The 200 megapixel camera is also the reason why the camera bump is so damn thick, but I am still a bit doubtful about this because at the end of the day it is a budget phone, and spending this much money on a camera might not be the right choice. But hey, maybe the 200 megapixel could debut on the Redmi Note 12 Pro series. Reports have also suggested that it will be equipped with a 5x periscope zoom lens, and the third camera probably is an ultra wide lens. Now let's talk about the naming as well. It might not be called the Redmi Note 11 Pro or the Pro Max, but could be called the Ultra, as it says Ultra in the camera bump. Let me know guys your thoughts in the comment section down below. I really like it, and since I have used and enjoyed the Redmi Note 10 Pro during my review period, I am even more excited for the 11 Pro. Make sure to subscribe to both of my channels for continuous videos. Hit the like button if you enjoyed. You can say hi to me on Twitter, and guys, thanks a lot for watching.